How to increase visitors to my website. Maybe you're wondering how you can do that. Well, we will highlight 5 ways to keep visitors coming back for more. A lot of successful websites depend on returning visitors to account for a major part of their traffic. Returning visitors are easy to convert into paying customers because the more often they return to a site, the more trust they have in that website. The credibility issue just melts away. Hence, keep your visitors coming back to your site with the following methods. So let's get into these methods here. Number 1, you can start a forum, chat room, or a shout box. When you start a forum, chat room, or shout box, you are providing your visitors a place to voice their opinions and interact with their peers. All of them are visitors of your site. As conversations build up, a sense of community will also follow, and your visitors will come back to your site almost religiously every day. That's a great way. So start a forum on your website. Number 2, start a web log or a blog. Blogs are great because you can keep an online journal, or more commonly known as a blog, on your site and keep it updated with the latest news about yourself. Human beings are curious creatures, and they will keep their eyes glued to the monitor if you post fresh news frequently. You will also build up your credibility as you are proving to them that there is also a real live person behind the website. They grow to trust you even more. Number 3, carry out polls or surveys. Polls or surveys are often or other forms of interaction that you should definitely consider adding to your site. They provide a quick way for visitors to voice their opinions and to get involved in your website. Be sure to publish polls or surveys that are strongly relevant to the target market of your website to keep them interested to find out about the results. Number 4, hold puzzles, quizzes, and games. Just imagine how many office workers procrastinate at work every day, and you will be able to gauge how many people will keep visiting your site if you provide a very interesting or addicting way of entertainment. You can also hold competitions to award the high score winner to keep people trying continuously to earn the prize. Now, I know from experience this takes a little bit of work, and you got to have the software tools to create these quizzes and puzzles. So I will give you a software as a service at the end of this video. So stay tuned, a way that you can do this. And last but not least, number 5, update frequently with fresh content. If you have seen any of my videos in the past, content is king. And that's the way things are going, because even with Google search engines, they're looking for content, and not just any content, quality content. So update your website frequently with fresh content so that every time your visitors come back, they will have something to read on your site. This is the most widely known and most effective method of attracting returning visitors. But this is also the least carried out one because of the laziness of webmasters and people that create websites. Sad to say, but for the most part, no one will want to browse a site that looks the same over the last 10 years. Same thing, and you know how technology changes. So keep your site updated with fresh content, fresh bites, fresh things for people to check out. So as mentioned, if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to build websites, to have email marketing, professional emails, to create webinars, other software tools to enhance your website, I am not even thinking of half of the tools that Builderall has. So check out the link in the description. You could join my team on Builderall, and Builderall has many different plans. They even have a free website plan all the way up to a paid professional plan for a monthly fee that's well worth it, because once you start to add in what it costs for web hosting, and what does it cost to buy that domain, what does it cost to have a professional email address, what does it cost to have an autoresponder, So once you start to add these things up, then you compare what it costs for Builderall. They're very affordable. So check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So hopefully that brought you guys a little bit of knowledge when it comes to your website. So take care. We'll see you in the next one.